Hello guys, welcome back to this channel if you're a returning subscriber, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload amazing videos like this. I make videos around making money online, how to build a profitable business online. If this interests you, make sure you smash on the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. Like this video as well, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment box of this video. I will be ready to answer. I make videos around making money online, and these are the videos I have uploaded, so you can do where to check those videos. Do where to check those videos. In this video, I teach you two best apps that I've been using for my screen recording. These are the two best apps that I recommend for anybody who want to record uh, phone screen, including that will allow it will allow your screen, it will record your screen and as well record your voice as well. So it is like two in one app. So these two apps are the best that I'm using the both. So I'm using one to record this video right now, and the one that I'm using right now is X Recorder. You can download it on Play Store and Apple Store as well. So I will drop link in the description so that you can get access to it. So how do you use it? So we have the X recorder, as I told you. So this is the X recorder. We have the settings. This is X recorder as it is a. So this is the X recorder. So this is the one I'm using right now to record this screen video. So when I click on it, it will pop up. So when it pop up, it open. These are the videos that I've recorded with this same app. So you can come to settings and change some settings. I do usually put this in resolution. You can choose any of these resolution. So you choose the resolution. You can increase this to more than 720p. You can use 1080p or so. So you can change the quality. Because I'm using this app right now, I don't have access to change some settings to do other settings. So you can choose if you want to allow microphone on microphone, and you can off microphone too. So you can use it, so you can mute microphone, but I'm using it so I don't want to mute it. So here you can set the counter time. This will determine the exact time that your recording will start. So you can put 30 seconds or more than that. You can put 4 seconds. You can put 1 minute, depending on how you need it. Depending on how you need it. So you can also select to keep recording even when your screen is off. That means when my screen is off, this recording will still continue. But if you deselect it when your screen is off, then your recording will stop. Your recording will stop. So you can choose brush. This brush, you can as well choose camera, and then you tap on camera. Since your phone have a front camera, so your picture, or my picture per se, if I select camera right now, my picture will be showing at one corner of this phone right now. But I don't want to select that. You can try that and check it out. Those are the important features that I reset before using the app. So the app is very good. X Recorder is very good. You can go to the Play Store or Apple Store to download it. Is very good. I recommend that. And another thing I like about X Recorder is that size of the videos that I record will be in smaller size. Do you get it? The quality will be good and will be smaller in size. It won't take a lot of MB or a lot of data, a lot of space on my phone. So that is another reason I like this X Recorder app. Is very good and nice. So that is it about that. Now let's go to the next app. The next app I'm using is AZ Screen also, though it is a pro app, so I like the app as well. I really like the app. Can you see? So when I click on, let me put it there. So when I click on it right now, it will pop up saying, so I can go to I click on this four square box to do some settings and editing on the app. and editing on the app. So I will click on that. So let me click on it right now. So can you see these are the videos that I've recorded with this particular app. So I usually switch it depending on my interest. So these are the videos, and the good thing is that you can upload the videos on anywhere. They are high quality videos. I use these apps to record most of my YouTube videos, so you can try that as well if you are interested in that. So these are the settings that I then you come here to settings. You come here to settings. When you come here to settings, then you can do some can you see, so I adjust the resolution to be 1094 times 480. So that's what I choose. You can decide to choose the same thing, and you can decide to choose more higher than that. So 5 mbps byte rate. Then we have frame rate auto. So your orientation to auto. So the time lapses video speed, I disable that. So this one too, you can enable the audio and disable the audio. So I can enable the audio as it is now, assuming it is the one that I'm using. So all my audios will be recorded as well. But if I off the audio, if I disable the audio, only the screen will be recorded. My voice won't be recorded. My voice won't be recorded. So that is it. And this app also helps you to fix green screen. This green screen, if you are familiar with video editing, you will know what I mean by green screen. If you are familiar with video editing and video video cloning, you will be familiar. You know what I mean by green screen and other things. So you can disable pop-up window after screenshot. You can disable that. So, and you can also allow screenshots. You can also choose camera too. You can choose camera too as the one I told you before. So if you immediately click on the camera, then the camera will start picking your face, and it will start displaying what you physically. The camera will pick up you, and there is a video just uh, somewhere around the corner of this video. So that is how to use the app. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel right now and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I want to recommend a video for you to watch next. So this is the video you must watch this video next. You must watch this video next if you really want to make money online. If you really want to make money online, especially if you don't have anything to start in Nigeria right now, go and watch this video. This particular video, how to make 5,000 naira per day. Go and watch this video right now. And you can follow me on my social media account. Go and follow me on social media account. You see the link in the description of this video. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and connect with me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for staying through the end of this video. See you in the next video. Thanks.